So once again, welcome to our new video from Engineers World Online, and in this video I am a 40B external hard disk from Seagate in my hand, and in this video we are showing what is inside this disk. For doing this I am simply using my screwdriver, and I am opening this. So I am going to take my screws of this disk out, and I am going to open it like this. Yes, I am now okay. You can watch what's inside. So I'm showing in a 40B model from Seagate. 40B is the capacity of this external disk, and I'm just open it now. Hope you enjoy watching these kinds of videos. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.